Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your McLaren key fob. You're going to need one of these replacement batteries. This takes a 2032, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. You don't absolutely need any tools, but a small screwdriver is helpful. First thing you want to do is press this little button right here and slide your mechanical key out. Now this back portion, you just take your thumbs and push it this way, and that'll give you access to the insides. This cover right here is going to be coming off, and you can just take your screwdriver right here or your fingernail, just pry that cover off right there, and again use your fingernail or the screwdriver, pry your dead battery out. Make sure you place your new battery positive side facing upward, just like that. Clip in your battery cover. This slides in just like that. Put your key in and you're all set. You're back in action. There's no need to reprogram. Hope this video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.